Okay. So this session is primarily planned to provide you with an introduction to what is called Chandas Shastra and how a sort of mathematics is connected with this Chandas Shastra. Chandas Shastra is one of the 6 Vedangas. Vedas are 4, Vedangas are 6 in number. So one of them is called Chandas. So Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Chandaha, Niruktam, Jyotisham, Tatha. Okay. Kalpascheti, Shadangami is what this is. And this has been listed even in Upanishad. There is an Upanishad called Mundakopanishad. So there, the knowledge is divided into 2 broad categories. Paravidya, Aparavidya. So under Aparavidya, various things are listed. That is the sentence that I have quoted. Dve vidye vettavye itihasma yat brahmavido vadanti parachaiva aparacha. Tatra apara. That is the sentence. Ritvedo, Yajurvedo, Samavedo, Sarvavedo, Shiksha, Kalpo, Vyakaranam, Niruktam, Chando, Jyotishamiti. This is the mantra. So there you find this Chandas listed. So it is a very old science, but it has been brought to fore by authoring a set of sutras which are known as Chanda Sutras. It is like this. Vyakarana, we all associate generally with Panini. So it doesn't mean that Vyakarana was not there before. Panini brought to us in a certain codified form. So this is a set of Panini Sutras. So too, if you just look at the Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, so there is a system of knowledge, somebody synthesizes most of them and then he presents to us. Right? So even when you say somebody authors something, so it is not that all of things that are being presented in the text are his own contribution. Certainly not like that. There may be some minor contribution made by him. That is how the flow of knowledge proceeds. So this Pingala Naga is the full name. We also call it as Pingalacharya. So this Pingala Naga is estimated to have been around 3rd century BC. He has written a set of sutras, and those sutras are Chandas Sutras. Okay, it is actually called as Chandas Shastra. This has been acknowledged by someone called Kedara Bhatta. This Kedara Bhatta has authored a text called Vrittaratnakaram. So this is quite famous. So there he says, Pingaladibhi Acharyihi Yaduktam Laukikam Dvidha Matra Varna Vibhedena Chandas Tadika Kathyati. So this is the opening verse. So that which has been stated by Pingala, Pingaladibhihi. So this Pingaladibhihi means it has started to be codified by Pingala. So before that also it definitely existed, but the codification has been started by Pingala. And later also there were various other people. So I am trying to present it in a different way. This is what Kedara Bhatta says. And I also want you to take note of one word here. The word is Laukikam. There is something we usually use, Vaidika and Laukika. So Laukika is something which has to do with Loka Vyavahara. Laukika in the context of Chandas, how do you understand? So Chandas, in order to put it in a nutshell, it has to do with the study of metrical patterns. So in the composition of a human being, naturally certain things come out in metrical form. So not for everybody, but for some gifted people, right? It just comes out. If you consider Vedas, there also you find various metrical compositions. So metrical compositions which are found in Vedas are called as Vaidikam. And the metrical compositions that are found in other works like Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and so on and so forth are known as Laukikam. Okay? So Laukikam and Vaidikam should be understood in this way. So Vedas we do not know who the author is, whereas for Laukika we know who the author is. So this Vaidikam Chandaha and Laukikam Chandaha. This Vaidikam Chandaha, there are some fixed patterns only, whereas in Laukikam there are so many patterns. So Laukikam Dvidha, that is of two types. So a pattern can be either by counting the number of syllables or by counting the number of beats. That is what he indicates by saying Matra Varna Vibhedena. Matra. Matra refers to the duration that is required for you to pronounce a particular syllable. Suppose I say Sita. Sita. Both are long. Correct? Suppose I say Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Suppose I say. Okay? So Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. So all are short. Okay? Suppose I say Rama. So it is first is long, second is short. Okay? Suppose I say Saumya. How many syllables are there?
Two and a half.
Say two syllables. Okay? So Saumya. The syllable is counted only when you encounter a vowel. No, vowel. So in Saumya, there are three consonants. Sa, Im, Ya. Right? But how many vowels are there? Au, A. That's all. So therefore you say only two syllables. Okay? So Saumya. Okay? So Murari, suppose we say. So there are three syllables. How will you classify them? Mu, Ra, Ri. Mu is short, Ra is long, Ri is short. Okay? So here the time that is required to pronounce Murari and to pronounce Saumya are one and the same. Why? Because Mu is a short, you take one beat, Ra takes two beats, Ri takes one beat. The total number of beats is 4. Matra is 4. Syllables are 3. Matra is 4. Saumya, Sita, syllables are 2. Matra is 4. Understand? So this is how we have to understand. Matra and syllables are two different things. Now, the pattern can be either by fixing the matra or by fixing the number of syllables. Okay? There are two kinds of patterns that one can think. In percussion instruments, it is primarily the matra. Okay? Initially you may say ta, di, tom, nam, tadit, tom, nam, tadit, tom, nam. So the same duration, you repeat twice, you repeat thrice, you repeat more. Okay, so it is primarily the duration that counts. It is all primarily matra. See. So druta and so on and so forth we do. Okay. Now this should be kept in mind. This metrical pattern can be either in terms of matra or in terms of the syllabus. So as I was mentioning, Chanda Shastra is quite interesting and it has some interesting connection with mathematics. That's what I will try to highlight here. So this is only systematization has been done by Pingalacharya, and those of you